Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox our January 2018 Glamego subscription box, and we will be seeing what this box looks like this month and what we have, and I will be reviewing whatever we have this month in this box from Glamego. This is what the box looks like, and this is the outer packaging. It's very good. It has Glamego written all over, and it comes in very sturdy packaging. So I will just tear it apart, and let me just do that. This is my first time. I'm actually not aware what the products look like this month. I usually open the box before doing the videos, so I thought of doing a different video this month, and yeah, I hope you will like this way. So this is how it looks on the side, and let me just take it out. They usually have very beautiful packagings, and yeah, it says no resolutions, and this is very cute packaging. It says, it's very girly actually, it's very feminine. On the back it has some text saying size 0, find love, lose weight, less Facebook, do not freak. Size 0 again, listen to him, be traditional, shop less, get fair, less parties, no red lipstick, no high heels, okay, no pubbing. It's very fun box this month, and very apt for the new year. If you don't know about Glamego is actually a very affordable monthly subscription box from the Indian brand called Glamego. Their website is glamego.com. They give you 4 to 5 deluxe as well as full sizes of skincare and makeup, and they also have some products listed on their website as well. If you want to repurchase, if you want to buy any other products apart from what you got, and then you can check out on their website as well. So yeah, let's get started with the opening of this month's box, and they are only for $3.99 per month if you want to buy 1 month. And if you go ahead and purchase more months, like 6 months, 12 months, then the price reduces to as low as $299. So that's really amazing. This card says, thanks for making Glamego #1 Indian subscription box. And they have 4 products this month, and this one actually attracting me the most. This one is Bloom Skincare Face Oil. This is age defying and radiance booster, so it is 100% natural. Like 1500 worth of products in a $3.99 worth of box is such a huge in itself. Take 2 drops of oil in clean palm and apply before you take cream. It's like the first step in your skincare. If you stepped or crossed 18 years, this is the right time to start with anti-aging products. And it's really a myth. Some people carry that you need to use anti-aging products only if you achieve certain age, but this is not the right case. You need to actually protect your skin right from the early stages of aging. It smells very natural, and obviously it's natural. It smells like herbs and very fresh. So right from the time I'm applying it, it is feeling oily, and but I see in some swipes it is getting absorbed and it is leaving my skin very glowy. And if I see the difference in my 2 hands, same parts, they both look really distinct, and I can definitely tell that this part is very glowy, but it's not sticky, and it just leaves a little bit of fresh fragrance and slightly like natural herbs like. So I feel if you have oily skin, you might not like this, I'm not sure, but if you have dry skin, if you have problematic skin, if you lack radiance, basically this is very good product. I'll try this on and let you guys know if this one is really good, and you can buy it individually, and it is very expensive. It's like 1500 rupees, and facial oils are basically a skincare product which normally are very expensive. Such a high price product in this box. It says you have to apply it in circular motion. This is what I did with my hand application as well, because it requires a little bit of circular motions to let it absorb. So now I feel like it has left no oily texture, which I felt like initially when I was swabbing it, and I was really worried, but not now. It's feeling so glowy and actually makes my skin so soft as well. So my hand, which is like freshly washed, is feeling very dry, whereas this side is looking as well as feeling very soft, and it is radiant. so that's really good first impression. So next we have this product called Vital Nourishment Cream. It is grapefruit and vitamin C. It is your lighter and whiter brighter fix. So it is actually a cream which is like a massage cream. You can use it in your facial kit. If you like to use those 3-step cleansing at home, then this is also a great product. And it has coconut oil, coconut milk, glycerine, grapefruit oil. That is also very good. All the products which are included in Glamego are always very natural, and they always avoid certain like ingredients which are not good for some people, sensitive skin types, or people who are allergic to some, you know. So this is also a great product, and it is actually a sample size, a moisturizing cum brightening treatment in one, which is very necessary for the winter time. This is very necessary, and the size is perfect to try it. And if you want to buy the full size, you can get it from the website. Okay, so that is really good thing to get. Next we have a neem caffeine face wash from the brand M Caffeine, which is 50 ml. In the fourth category, you can get a face wash, you can get anything skincare or makeup. So I got this face wash, which I think it looks really good. I like neem in my skincare. So this has caffeine which tones your skin with neem for a natural protection. Use it anytime you want to feel refreshed. So this is really interesting. It is gel-like consistency, like you can see it's very gel-like, thick and very loopy. Check out their website called mcaffeine.com as well. Last product which I am excited to talk about is the Bella Voste Perfect Gloss. I have a matte lip liner on, guys, so okay, this is quite a bright color, and this shade is called Shade Rouge. It is in the shade number 04. It's so pigmented. So this is the shade. It's very corally red. The formula looks very thick, and it gives moisturization, and it also plumps your lips, which is perfect for the winter. But if you apply it over a brownie nude, this will be the color. So this is what it looks like. And I applied this color. It is actually turning into a deep rose, which is very beautiful, and I really like the shade. It's like looking very good for the winters, like the combination. But if I want to use it on its own or over a color lipstick or a lip liner, then I think summers would be the best time for this. But I think it is a full size, so it will last a pretty long time, maybe more than a year or 2 years. So I think this is a nice product to have, and I don't think I have this kind of color in lip glosses. So this is all we got. We got 4 products, and the value of the products, let me just total them. My box is for 2517. This is like a huge amount. If you think you want to try this month's box, because I personally feel this month's box is very versatile, then you can check out their website glamego.com, and you can purchase your 1 month, or basically save more and purchase at once 6 month or 1 year box. Guys, if you liked the video, if you liked me opening the box in front of you, then give this video a thumbs up. I will come to know that you prefer opening the box in front of you rather than opening it before, and that it really looks like a little bit different if I open it in front of you, so it looks more realistic maybe. So if you liked this style, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments section below if you have got this box and what products you liked from this box, or whether you are looking forward to get this box. And if you buy because of this video, then do let me know in the comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.